Major crops cultivated in India. The major crops of India are divided into four major categories as follows: food crops, cash crops, plantation crops, and horticulture crops. First, we will see food crops. Rice. Rice is an indigenous crop. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Assam and Haryana. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop of the country after rice. It accounts for 22% of the total area and 34% of the total production of food grains in the country. Over 85% of the India's wheat production comes from 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Apart from these regions, the black soil tract of the Deccan covering flat parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat also contribute a major wheat production. Jowar. Jowar is the third input crop of our country. It is an indigenous plant of Africa. The plant has a tendency to grow in adverse climate conditions. Its grains are rich in carbohydrates, protein, minerals and vitamins. It is also used as fodder in many parts of the country. Jowar is essentially a crop of the peninsular India. Maharashtra, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh are the leading producers of jowar. Bajra. Bajra is an indigenous plant of Africa. This forms the staple food for poor people. Its stalks are used as fodder for cattle and for thatching purposes. Bajra is a crop of dry region. Rajasthan is the largest producer of Bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Barley. Barley is one of the important cereals of our country. Besides being poor man's diet, it is used for making barley water, beer and whiskey. Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh are the two leading producers of barley. Pulses include a large number of crops which are mostly leguminous and rich in vegetable protein. They are used as human food and feeding cattle. They fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and hence are usually rotated with other crops. India is the largest producer of pulses. Cash crops. The crops which are cultivated for commercial purpose are called cash crops. These crops include sugarcane, tobacco, fiber crops and oil seeds. First we will see sugarcane. India is the second largest producer in the world. This crop provides a raw material for sugar industry, which is the second largest industrial category of our country. India is ranked third in sugar production in the world after Cuba and Brazil. At the state level, Uttar Pradesh is leading producer of sugarcane, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Cotton. Cotton is the most important cash crop of India. It provides raw materials to the largest industries of India. India ranks second next to China in the production of cotton. Next we will move on to jute. Jute is a tropical fiber crop. Grows well in the alluvial soil. It provides raw material for jute industry. It is used for manufacturing of gunny bags, carpets, hessian, ropes and strings, rugs, clothes, tarpaulins, upholstery, etc. West Bengal is the leading state both in cultivation and production of jute. The other cultivators of jute are Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. Next topic, plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of exports. These are cultivated in large estates on hilly slopes. Tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the major plantation crops of India. First we will see tea. Tea is an evergreen plant that mainly grows in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea is the labor intensive and grows faster under light shade. Tea plants require high rainfall, but its root cannot tolerate waterlogging. Two major varieties of tea are cultivated in India. They are Bohea, Assamica. Coffee. Coffee is grown in shade and it grows effectively in the altitudes between 1000 and 1500 meters above mean sea level. There are two main varieties of coffee. They are Arabica, Robusta. Arabica is the high quality cultivated more in India. Robusta is the inferior quality. Rubber. Rubber plantation were first established in Kerala in 1902. It needs hot and wet climate conditions, and most of the land under rubber belongs to small landholders. The major rubber growing areas in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Spices. India has been world famous for its spices since ancient times. These spices mostly used for flavoring or tempering cooked food and for preparing medicines, dyes, etc. Pepper, chilies, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, clove and areca nut are the major spices cultivated in India. Kerala is the leading producer of spices in India. The fourth division is it refers to the cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are important supplement to the human diet as they provide essential minerals, vitamins and fibers required for maintaining health. India is the second position in the production of fruits and vegetables. Livestock. Livestock is an integral component of farming system in India. The livestock sector is socially and economically very significant due to its multifunctional outputs and contribution to socio-cultural security. It also helps to improve food and nutritional security by providing nutrient-rich food products, generate income and employment, and act as a cushion against crop failure, provide drought cover and manure inputs to the crop subsector. Livestock sector contributes approximately 4% of national GDP and 25.6% to agriculture GDP. As per 19th livestock census conducted in 2012, India's livestock sector is one of the largest in the world with 11.6% of world livestock population, which consists of cattle 37.3%, goats 26.4%, buffaloes 21.2%, sheep 12.7% and pigs 2%, etc.